Match 3. Win Cash is a real money match 3 game that offers cash prizes, multiplayer competition, and free practice matches, making it one of the clearest options for players who want to turn Match 3 skills into cash competition. App Store and 1. By the end, you'll know 5 Match 3 games worth checking in 2026, how their cash systems work, and what to verify before entering a paid tournament. Number 5. Monkey Match 3. Monkey Match 3 is a multiplayer Match 3 game from Gummy Mobile. Its App Store listing describes real money opportunities and cash prizes ranging from $5 to $1,000 through its promotional reward and raffle features. App Store, Gamma 7. That makes it different from ordinary Match 3 games, where your only reward is an in-game currency. Number 4. Triple Match Cash. Triple Match Cash turns 3D object matching into competitive tournaments with real cash prizes. The game is free to download and play, while its listing says cash tournaments have location-specific restrictions. App Store and 3. The useful part is that you can learn the gameplay before deciding whether cash tournaments are available to you. Number 3. Match 3, Cash Candy. Cash Candy is listed through the Skillz gaming platform as a Match 3 puzzle where players compete for cash prizes. Skillz currently lists it among its newer games, alongside other cash prize puzzle titles. A Skillz in 418. This format is more competitive than a normal Match 3 game, because your result is measured against other players. Number 2. Match Cashin. Match Cash combines Match 3 and other puzzle formats, with multiplayer tournaments and cash prizes. Its website says players can start with free matches using earned chips, and it advertises PayPal withdrawals. Uartis 5e. The important distinction is that free gameplay and cash tournaments are separate parts of the platform, so check the tournament rules before assuming every match pays money. Number 1. Match 3, Win Cash. In Match 3, Win Cash takes the top spot, because its App Store listing directly describes classic Match 3 gameplay with real cash prizes, multiplayer matches, free tournaments, power-ups, leaderboards, and practice mode. App Store 1. It also says players are matched with opponents at similar skill levels, and that bots aren't used in its competitive matches. App Store 1. Before depositing money into any of these games, check 3 things. Whether cash tournaments are available in your location, whether an entry fee applies, and exactly how withdrawals work. Also remember that winning cash is not guaranteed. These are competitive games, so an advertised prize is a potential payout, not guaranteed income. So the strongest options are Match 3. Win Cash for direct Match 3 competition. Match Cash for its broader cash game system. And Triple Match Cash for 3D matching tournaments. Your practical next step is to install one option that is available in your region. Play its free mode first, and read the current cash tournament rules before spending anything. If this ranking helped, like the video, and subscribe for more real money gaming app comparisons.